Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best fish cleaning table is probably one of the most underrated pieces of gear for any angler. Imagine effortlessly preparing your catch right at the water's edge or in your backyard. This video will dive deep into the world of portable fish cleaning tables, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one to elevate your fishing experience and make cleaning your catch a breeze. Number 5. Goplus Folding Fish Cleaning Table. This table is built with a premium HDPE tabletop and sturdy steel legs, ensuring its stability and durability. The materials are non-toxic and odorless, which is better for your health. The steel pipes are plastic sprayed to prevent rust. The legs and faucet of this table fold up for easy storage and transport. It won't take up too much space, and it's lightweight enough for an adult to carry. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities. With a large tabletop, this folding camping table provides plenty of space. It has a sink for washing and a flat workbench for operation. The HDPE material is easy to clean, just wash and dry it. This table is not only for cleaning fish, but also for preparing meals outdoors. The large tabletop and suitable height provide great comfort for various activities. It's perfect for picnics, camping, hunting, and more. Whether you're at the dock, beach, patio, or a picnic, this table is a great addition. It's designed to make your outdoor activities more convenient and enjoyable. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This table's durable construction ensures it can handle whatever you throw at it. The foldable design makes it super easy to store and transport. If you're looking for a reliable and spacious cleaning station for your outdoor adventures, this is a great choice. What people say. Adjustable height. Easily to fold and store in the dock storage shed. The legs are very strong in their locked position, it's a very stout table. Number 4. Folding Fish Cleaning Table with Faucet. This fish cleaning table is built to last. It features a high-density polyethylene tabletop and powder-coated steel legs, ensuring stability and a high load capacity. It's also waterproof and easy to clean, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. The table includes a stainless steel faucet with a 3-way garden hose connector. The faucet rotates and folds for easy use and storage. The built-in sink with a drain plug is perfect for washing fruits, vegetables, or your catch of the day. It has a quick connect faucet for easy hose attachment. The table also includes a grid rack, an extending sprayer, a scale for measurements, 3 knife grooves, and a knife. All these features make it a great fillet station. This table is designed for portability with folding legs and a lightweight design. You can easily take it anywhere. When not in use, it can be stored in a corner or in your car trunk. It's ideal for picnics, camping, fishing, and other outdoor activities. You can use it to clean fish, meat, fruits, and vegetables. It's also a great option for vendors to process and clean their products. What we like. This one boasts a deepened sink and flexible faucet for easy cleaning. The portable folding design makes it easy to take anywhere. If you are a fan of fishing or camping, this table will be your perfect partner. What people say. This table is 37 inches tall. The ability to add running water cannot be underestimated. It's very good for the price. The hose splitter is sort of crap and leaks with just a little pressure, so plan on purchasing a metal one if you actually are going to connect it outside of a garden hose. Nonetheless, it's basically perfect for what it is. Number 3. Flash Furniture Wesley Portable Fish Cleaning Table. This portable table is perfect for any outdoor activity. It makes it easy to wash your hands or clean your fish, veggies, or grill equipment. Enjoy your time outdoors without the hassle. This table eliminates the need to go inside the RV, keeping everything convenient. The built-in sink makes cleaning a breeze. It comes with a drain stopper, faucet, and hose attachment for easy use. Setup and take down is simple. The legs fold for easy portability and compact storage between uses. With its practical dimensions, this table is an excellent prep and cleaning station. You can use it on all your outdoor excursions. What we like. This table has a built-in sink with a faucet and hose attachment. It is also portable and easy to store. If you like convenience and efficiency in your outdoor setup, this table is a great fit. What people say. The table is lightweight but sturdy, with a single sink. A nice-looking faucet with a lever is included with the table. The plastic table has a granite white, speckled, color finish to it and cleans up very well. Number 2. Outvita 45 Portable Folding Camping Table. This portable table is perfect for outdoor activities. It's designed for convenience, making it easy to set up and take down wherever you go. The foldable design and removable parts make it easy to carry and store. Weighing only about 21 pounds, it's light enough to bring anywhere. The tabletop is made of food-grade HDPE, which is durable and easy to clean. The high-strength steel frame ensures stability and long-lasting use. It features a built-in sink and stainless steel faucet that easily connects to a garden hose. The adjustable drain hose makes cleanup simple. The 45.3 x 23.2 surface provides ample space for your tasks. The 15 x 10 sink is large enough for cleaning big items. This table is ideal for camping, fishing, hunting, picnics, and more. It provides a convenient workspace for all your outdoor adventures, anytime and anywhere. What we like. This product is designed with a folding and portable design. The premium material makes it durable and easy to clean. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use outdoor cleaning station, you should consider this. What people say. Great product. Nice sturdy table. Great for camping or anything where you want to clean up before going inside. Number 1. Dragosum Portable Camping Sink Table. This camping table is built with premium HDPE and a sturdy steel frame, making it incredibly durable. It's also weather-resistant and easy to clean, perfect for any outdoor adventure. It can hold up to 264 pounds. The table features a built-in sink, complete with a stainless steel faucet and spray nozzle. This provides the water pressure you need for quick and easy cleaning. The extended drain pipe is suitable for buckets of different heights. It comes with a sink cover, which increases the counter space when in use. This allows you to use it as a portable camping table, a folding picnic table, or a fish cleaning station. It's versatile for all your needs. The table includes a desktop scale for easy measurement, 4 knife slot holes, and a side garbage bag rack. It also has a stable grid rack for camping accessories. These details add extra convenience. With dimensions of 42.5 by 22.8 by 34.3 inches, it provides ample operating space. It can be set up and stored in just 3 simple steps. Take it with you anywhere. What we like. This table features a built-in sink, faucet, and spray nozzle for easy cleaning. The 2-in-1 design gives you extra flexibility. If you are looking for a versatile and convenient cleaning solution for your outdoor activities, this is a great choice. What people say. Table is very sturdy and easy to assemble. Lightweight table perfect for travel. I like all the features. I cater pop-up kitchens and it's a perfect size and style for a prep station and it's sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.